GST reforms are a step that can truly be a game changer for MSMEs and businesses. At Highest Analytics, we don't just look at numbers, we understand the story behind them. In today's videos, I will show you the real impact of GST slabs reduction and how analytics can help us predict the future. When GST was launched in 2017, it was a big reform for India, unifying different tax systems into one structure. The slabs were 0% for essentials, 5% for daily needs, 12% for processed goods, and 18% for service, and 28% for luxury. But now in 2025, the government has simplified it into just two slabs, 5% and 18%. This means packed food, medicines, and small machinery now fell under 5%, while items like cars and air conditioner have dropped from 28% to 18%. On one hand, compliance becomes simpler, and on the other, cost for business reduced significantly. Now let's understand how GST is calculated. The formula is very simple. GST equal to base price into rate divided by 100. Let's suppose if a lamp cost 15,000 rupees and 28% GST on it, the tax came to around 4,200 rupees, making the final price is 19,200 rupees. Now the same lamp fell under 18% GST, where the tax is only 2,700 rupees, making the final price around 17,700 rupees. That's a saving of 1,500 rupees per unit. Imagine an MSME selling 100 lamps a month. That's up to 18 lakh rupees saved annually. Through analytics and Power BI dashboard, we can scale these savings and design better pricing strategies. So, why did the government make this change? Simplification. Earlier 4 to 5 slabs make a compliance complex. With just 2 slabs, paperwork can be reduced 30%. Cost reduction. Lower tax on raw materials and food items reduce input cost by 10 to 20%, improving MSME's margins. Number 3, growth. When goods become cheaper, whether electronics or vehicle, the demand automatically rise. Predictions suggest 12 to 15% sales growth in FMCGs and auto sectors. For MSMEs, this means more cash flow, allowing them to develop new products, hire more employees, and expand exports. This is how India's economic backbone gets stronger. Predictive analytics and future impact. Predictive models at Highest Analytics show that MSME's revenue could boost by up to 15% by 2026, purely due to increased demand. But there's also a challenge. Reducing slabs could cut government revenue by up to 5 to 7%. In the future, a new 40% slab may be introduced for luxury and shine goods. At the same time, GST 2.0 will bring digital compliance powered by AI and automation, saving both time and cost for MSMEs. This is where analytics come in through regressions models, demand forecasting, and machine learning. We can predict these scenarios with precision. So the takeaway is one line is this: GST reform empowers MSMEs through savings, simplicity, and growth. At Highest Analytics, we turn data into actionable strategies through dashboards and predictive models. For more deep insights, follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe on YouTube. Let's analyze and grow together. Visualize, analyze, then decide.